What if your entire campsite could unfold from a single futuristic cube in seconds? Meet the Cube, one of the smartest camping inventions redefining outdoor adventure. Designed for modern explorers, the compact all-in-one system transforms into a fully functional camping setup with incredible efficiency. From smart storage compartments to a rapid fold-out design, every detail is built for convenience, comfort, and portability. Whether you're camping in the mountains, deep forests, or beside a peaceful lake, the Cube helps you travel lighter while staying fully prepared. It's rugged, space-saving, and engineered for people who want smarter outdoor living without sacrificing comfort. This is camping technology on another level. What if your next camping trip came with a boat built for true wilderness adventure? Meet the Polarbird Raft 260, a rugged inflatable raft designed for campers, anglers, and outdoor explorers who demand reliability on the water. Built with durable, heavy-duty materials, this compact raft delivers impressive stability, comfort, and portability in remote environments. Its lightweight, foldable design makes transportation easy, while the spacious interior gives you room for gear, fishing equipment, and long expeditions. Whether you're crossing rivers, exploring lakes, or setting up camp in untouched nature, the Raft 260 is engineered to handle the challenge. Tough, practical, and adventure-ready. This is smart camping innovation at its best.
Ever seen a pump smaller than your palm that can power your entire campsite? Meet the Flextail Tiny Pump 3X, a compact camping gadget built for serious outdoor convenience. This tiny device works as an ultra-fast air pump, vacuum pump, and emergency camping light all in one. Lightweight yet surprisingly powerful, it can inflate sleeping pads, vacuum storage bags, and brighten your tent without taking up space in your backpack. Perfect for hikers, campers, and travelers who want maximum utility with minimal weight. Its rechargeable battery and portable design make it a must-have for modern adventures. Small size, massive performance. This is smart camping done right.
What if campfire cooking could be faster, cleaner, and way more portable? Meet Grilliput, a smart camping invention designed to bring powerful outdoor cooking anywhere you go. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly easy to set up, this portable grill delivers efficient heat and reliable performance for every adventure. Whether you're grilling beside a lake, deep in the forest, or at a mountain campsite, Grilliput makes outdoor cooking simple and enjoyable. Its durable design is built for rugged environments while remaining easy to carry and store. Perfect for campers who want convenience without sacrificing quality. Smart, practical, and adventure-ready, Grilliput turns every campsite into a premium outdoor kitchen experience. What if one tiny capsule could completely upgrade your camping experience? Meet the Titanner Tea Capsule, a compact, smart camping invention engineered for durability, portability, and everyday outdoor convenience. Crafted with premium titanium construction, this ultra-light gadget is built to survive extreme adventures while staying small enough to fit in your pocket. Its sleek, multifunctional design helps campers stay organized and prepared without carrying bulky gear. Whether you're hiking through mountains, camping in remote forests, or traveling off-grid, the Tea Capsule delivers reliable performance wherever you go. Strong, lightweight, and built with precision, it's the perfect example of how smart engineering can transform modern outdoor gear into something truly essential. What if your camping setup had the power of a smart mobile energy station? Meet BougeRV, an innovative camping solution built for travelers who want comfort, convenience, and reliable outdoor power anywhere. Designed with modern adventurers in mind, BougeRV combines smart portability with rugged performance, making it perfect for camping, road trips, and off-grid exploration. From powering essential gear to improving your overall campsite experience, every feature is focused on efficiency and practicality. Its durable build handles harsh outdoor conditions while staying compact enough for easy transport. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or relaxing beside the road, BougeRV helps you stay prepared, connected, and comfortable. This is the future of smart camping technology. What if setting up a premium campsite took less than a few minutes? Meet the Thule Outset, a smart camping invention designed to make outdoor adventures faster, easier, and far more comfortable. This innovative vehicle-mounted tent system unfolds into a spacious elevated shelter, giving campers a secure and comfortable place to rest almost instantly. Built with rugged materials and engineered for all-weather performance, it combines durability with modern convenience. Its elevated design keeps you off rough ground while maximizing space and comfort at any campsite. Whether you're exploring mountains, forests, or remote trails, the Thule Outset transforms your vehicle into a mobile outdoor base camp. Smart, reliable, and adventure-ready camping at its finest.